This is a 3D project file created in Blender. Blender is completely free, so if you want to view the model, just download the software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the link. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic blend corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation, again, later in the tutorial. A blend file is the native project file format used by Blender, a free and open source 3D creation suite. It stores all the elements of a 3D scene, including models, textures, animations, lighting, and camera settings. Blend files can range in size from small, simple scenes to large, complex projects with extensive assets and intricate setups. Blend files utilize a custom binary format designed for efficient storage and retrieval of complex 3D data. The format supports various data types, including meshes, curves, surfaces, materials, and animation data. Blender's internal data structures are serialized and compressed within the blend file, allowing for relatively compact storage of large scenes. Your first application to test with Blend should be Blender from Blender Foundation. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows can't process advanced CAD features, so thorough review requires a compatible design tool. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the blend file and select Open With. If Blender is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that associates the file. If your blend file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Since this blend format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, use Blender. Open the file using Blender, the required application for the 3D data. Next, check version. Ensure the Blender version you are using is equal to or newer than the version that created the file. Blender files are generally not backward compatible. Finally, use append.link. If the file is corrupt, create a new blend file and use File, Append or File. Link to import individual components from the damaged file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.